everyone, Chef Yoda the dog here, and it's time for the Monday meal. Today's Monday meal is an Instapot roast from Frozen. And my mom did venison roast, and she also put some frozen carrots and onions in there as well, and cooked it all together. So you're going to have to watch this one, because it's all from Frozen. You don't have to thaw anything out. It's awesome, and it's in the Instapot. So give it a watch, give us a thumbs up if you like it, and if you haven't done so already, please subscribe to our channel. We would really appreciate it. Chef Yoda the dog, out.
Everyone, as Yoda said, it's time for the Monday meal. We're using our Instapot. We're doing an Instapot frozen roast, and we're also doing frozen carrots and frozen onions. So 1 onion is 1 cup of diced chopped frozen onion, and then I just did the whole bag of the sliced carrots that are frozen. You put a trivet down there. You put your 3 pounds of roast on top. Now this recipe I'm going to link lets you know how long to cook it if you're doing 4 pounds versus 3, or if you're doing 2 pounds versus 3. But this is 3, and it's venison roast. So we have it on the trivet. Then we poured 3 cups of broth on top. I didn't have beef, so I used chicken broth, reduced sodium, and 3 cups of that. And then you pour on your onions, and I put carrots as well. And then you do a couple of tablespoons of minced garlic. So that's 2 tablespoons minced garlic. And then you season with whatever you like. You know me, I like the blend. So that is what we have seasoned with. And then we are going to put the lid on. You gotta have it sealed, okay? We're gonna pressure cook it. So sealed, and then we're gonna do manual, and you gotta do 90 minutes for 3 pounds. So we're gonna go up here to 90 minutes. Almost there, keep going. And then you natural release it after that. So you wait till it goes down, the little tab thing back here, it'll come up. Once you natural release it, this thing will go back down in here like this, okay? So we're gonna natural release it, 90 minutes, that's all you do. You just put the time in, it starts on its own. And then I'll see you in 90 minutes plus natural release. Okay, it finally finished natural releasing after like an hour and a half. And that is the finished product. So you can either slice it or you can shred it, it says. But it's good to go, it looks like. Let me slice it open. Yep, it's good to go. Everything's cooked in it. Ooh, yummy. So I'm gonna shred that up, and that'll be our Monday meal. Give it a try from Frozen. Woohoo! Happy Monday.